Differences between coherence and cohesion. Coherence versus cohesion. Coherence mainly deals with logic and appropriate organization of the sentences to form meaningful and understandable content, whereas cohesion focuses more on lexical syntax and grammar in sentence formation. Coherence is more sort of a pattern in the collected parts of writings, whereas cohesion is just the individual parts that are collected together and are stick together for representation. Coherence is the attribute that is decided by the end user or reader, which determines whether the content seems meaningful, understanding and useful, whereas cohesion is the writer's attribute and which is brought by using different techniques like repeated words, ideas, reference words, transition signals, substitution, etc. Coherence is not a measurable property and very hard to achieve, whereas cohesion is a measurable property that can be measured by checking the lexical syntaxes and grammar rules. Coherence is an abstract as it deals with the ideas, whereas cohesion is an observable as it is dealt with the actual written content. Coherence is a qualitative property whereas cohesion is a quantitative property. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.